In this video, you'll learn how to link your bank account to the Binance app. This process will allow you to make deposits and withdrawals easily using your bank account. Start by opening the Binance app on your device. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you are on the home screen, locate and tap on the wallet icon at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your wallet overview. Next, find the payment methods option within the wallet section. If you do not see payment methods immediately, navigate to the fiat and spot wallet settings where it should be located. Stay within this section to proceed with linking your bank account. Now tap on the Add Bank Account button. You will be prompted to enter your bank details. This includes your bank name, account number, and any other required information. It is crucial that the account holder name matches the identity you have verified on Binance. Take your time to ensure all details are entered accurately, as incorrect information can lead to withdrawal failures. After entering your bank details, review the information carefully. Once you are certain everything is correct, proceed to save the information. Depending on your account settings, you may need to complete verification steps. This could involve receiving an email or SMS confirmation or entering a two-factor authentication code if you have that enabled. Once you've completed the verification process, confirm that your bank account has been successfully added. You can do this by checking the list of saved payment methods. Your bank account should now appear there, indicating that it is linked and ready for supported deposits or withdrawals. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.